Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing text color on your Facebook posts. If you want to add a touch of creativity and make your posts stand out, this full guide is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. From the Home tab, tap on the Write Something Here text box. Step 3. To change the background color of your text, tap on the background color option. Step 4. Choose the color that suits your preference from the available options. Step 5. Now, enter your desired text with the selected color. Feel free to get creative and express yourself. Step 6. Once you're happy with the changes, tap on the Post button. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the text color on your Facebook posts. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch and make your posts visually appealing. Remember, colors can evoke different emotions and convey messages, so choose wisely to align with the tone and context of your post. Experiment with various color combinations and styles to create eye-catching posts that capture attention and engage your friends and followers. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to change text color on Facebook posts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.